Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back in maths class. Today we'll start our chapter 11, that is money. So first of all, what is money? So if I ask to you, you will say that rupee and paise. But no, only rupee and paise money. So that means dollar is not money. Yen is not money. No, these all are also money. Okay. So what do you mean by money? Money is currency. Means by which we can buy the goods. Okay, all the country has different currency. Yen, dollar, these are the different currency in the different countries. So not only rupee and paise is money, the rest also money. That means currency is money. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about the money. So let me start our recap exercise. So first of all, recap exercise, question 1 is there. In recap exercise we have solved the following. Question 1 is there. Aslam saved rupees 3150 previous year. Previous मतलब पिछले साल. Okay, and rupees 2260 this year. और 2260 वो इस साल सेव करता है. So how much money did he save in his money box? तो उसने money box में कितने रुपए सेव किए? So for that we will do plus. So let me start solution. Aslam saved money previous year equals to rupees 3150. Now he saved money this year equals to rupees 2260. So total money he saved. So for that we will do plus. Okay, so we add this. Both should be up and down properly. Okay, now 0 plus 0, that's 0. 5 plus 6, 11. Now 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now 3 plus 2, 5. And there is rupee. So rupee 5410. So he saved rupees 5410 in his money box. That's your answer. Okay, now it is finished. Now question number 2. Question second. Slavia bought 10 candles for rupees 110. Okay, 10 candles cost is rupees 110. This is total 10 candles cost. There is not given each. If there is given each, that means that is the cost of 1. So for 10 candles we will do multiply by 10. But there is given that 10 candles for rupees 110 means total 10 candles उसने 110 rupees की purchase की. A flower vase for rupees 215. Flower vase जो है वो 215 rupees का लिया. And 5 comic books for rupees 125. So how much did she spend all together? तो all together मतलब उसने एक साथ कितने खर्च किए? So for that we will do plus. Okay. So first of all, let me start solution. Now solution. First of all, cost of candles, because these are the cost of candles. So cost of candles equals to rupees 110. 0.00, so we can leave this because in all we have 0.00. That means passage 00, so no need to take that. Okay. Now cost of flower vase. Second number पे उसने लिया flower vase. So cost of flower vase. Flower vase cost is rupees 215. Rupees 215. Okay. Now after that she bought comic books. So cost of comic books. Cost of comic books. That is how much? Rupees 125. 125. Okay. Now total, how much money total she spent? So she spent, total she spent. Total C. Now here we will not use C. Why? because here we don't explain the name, only directly we write here cost of candles, cost of flower. So total spent money. Okay, we will not write here C, we will write here total spent money, because here we don't write the name. So in the last, in so line we will add the name. Here we will not add the name. In so line we will add the name. So total spent money equals to, we will do here plus. Okay, here we also we can change the second form did plus first form. So here also we can write the past form of spent, that is spent, S-P-E-N-T. Okay, past form of spent, that is spent. Okay, so total spent money, जो खर्च किए थे वो पैसे. So for that we will do plus 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So then 0, 1 goes carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. And 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So that's rupees 450. These are the total spent money. Okay, so we write here. So now Slavia, we write here name. Okay, so Slavia. Okay, Slavia spent rupees 450 altogether. Okay, that's your answer. That is your answer. एक साथ उसने 450 rupees spent किए. That's the answer. Now we will do question number 3. Question number 3. A shopkeeper sold mangoes worth rupees 175 to Miss Manjeet Kaur. शॉपकीपर जो है मैंगो सोल्ड कर रहा है. कॉस्ट क्या है? वर्थ मीन्स कॉस्ट. वर्थ मीन्स कॉस्ट. कॉस्ट ऑफ मैंगो इज रुपीज 175 टू मिस मंजीत कौर. मिस मंजीत कौर को उसने सोल्ड किए रुपीज 175 उसकी कॉस्ट थी, इसकी मैंगोज की. सी गेव हिम अ 200 रुपी नोट. जो मिस मंजीत कौर है उसने उसको शॉपकीपर को 200 रुपी का नोट दिया. So how much money he gave back to Miss Manjeet Kaur? So the shopkeeper how much money will give back? वापस कितने देगा? Okay, so for that we will do subtraction. So let me start solution. First of all, Miss Manjeet gave money to shopkeeper. How much? Rupees 200. Now cost of mangoes, worth means cost. Cost of mangoes equals to rupees 175. Now money she get back. जो मिस मंजीत कौर को कितने रुपए वापस मिलेंगे? So for that we will do subtraction. 200 minus 175. So now we will do subtraction. 10 minus 5, that's 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Rupees 25. Okay. So she will get back rupees 25. So right here. So the shopkeeper gave back rupees 25 to whom? To Miss Manjeet Kaur. To Miss Manjeet Kaur. Okay. That's the answer. मिस मंजीत कौर को 25 रुपीज उसने वापस किए शॉपकीपर ने. ओके, दैट्स योर आंसर. नाउ डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. यस, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Mr. Sen bought 5 kg of tomatoes at rupees 12.50 per kg. That means this is the rate of per kg, 1 kg. And she bought, Mr. Sen is there, so Mr. Sen is he. He bought 5 kg. Okay, 5 kg उसने खरीदे हैं, but the cost is given 1 kg per kg. This is the cost of 1 kg. So we should find the cost of 5 kg. And 2 kg of apple. और उसने 2 kg apple खरीदे at rupees 32.50 per kg. This is the rate of 1 kg. Okay. So how much money did he spend in all? तो मिस्टर सैन ने टोटल कितने रुपए खर्च किए. So first of all we should find the cost of 5 kg and 2 kg apple, 5 kg tomatoes and 2 kg apple, and then we have to add. That is the total money spent. Okay. So now first of all solution. Cost of 5 kg tomatoes. So we write here cost of 5 kg tomatoes. For that what will we do? We will do the cost of 1 kg multiplied by 5. So cost of 5 kg tomatoes equals to rupees 12.50 multiplied by 5. So we multiply and write answer here. Orally we can multiply because we know the 5 table. So rupees, now 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25. Okay. So we write here 5 and 2 goes carry. Okay. 2 goes carry. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 1 goes carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. So that's become 62.50. Okay. Now we should find cost of 2 kg apples. So cost of 2 kg apples. So as we know that what is the cost of 1 kg apple? 32.50 rupees. 32.50 multiply by 2 because we are finding cost of 2 kg apples. So for that we will do multiply by 2. So rupees. Now 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. We write here 0. 1 goes carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. And 2 3s are 6. So it's become 65.00. Now we can find total spent money. So money is spent in all. So here also we not write he. Why? Because here we don't define Mr. Sen. हमने यहाँ पे कहीं पे Mr. Sen को define नहीं किया है. So total spent money. We write here total spent money. Total spent. Did plus first form, again the second form. Spent money. Okay. Now for that we will do plus. So we will do here plus. Okay. Total spent money. Here we will do plus 0. There is 5. 2 plus 5 7. 6 plus 6 12. Point. So there is also point and there is rupee symbol. Okay. So rupee 127.50. So we write here. So Mr. Sen spent rupees 127.50 in all. That's our answer. Okay. So like this your recap exercise is finished. Thank you.